In this video, I'll show you how to change email in Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? This is our Facebook. Click on your account, click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings, right? Wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up right now, you're going to click on this personal details, right? So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to wait for it to load up right now. Very few seconds, just 2 or 3 seconds, right? So yeah, this is it. It has opened up. So if you want to change your email on Facebook, you're going to click on this personal details, right? I'm currently on my PC, so this can work for you, right? So you're going to see this contact info. If you click on it, you're going to click on this, right? You can delete this email address, right? Once you have deleted it, you're going to go back and click on add new contacts, right? You can add new contacts right here. So this is basically how you can add new contacts here on Facebook, right? If you find this video helpful, like how you can add new email here on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, share thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.